Hello money makers. Welcome to another weekly market update. Our first update is from the US economic front as they release June's job reports and ISM Manufacturing data. Economists are forecasting that the US economy will add 3 million jobs in June after a shock of 2.5 million gain a month earlier. But the 2 months of gains would still pale in comparison to the approximately 22 million jobs that were lost in March and April. The ISM Manufacturing Index, out Wednesday, is expected to rebound sharply, but even if it rises back to the 50 level that separates growth from a contraction, the level of activity will still be down sharply from where it was at the start of the year. Consumer confidence figures are due out on Tuesday, and the weekly report on initial jobless claims will be released Thursday at the same time as the nonfarm payroll data. For our next update, we head to Fed's interest rate meeting. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Mnuchin are due to testify before the House Financial Services Committee Tuesday about the economic stimulus unleashed in response to the virus. The Fed will publish the minutes of its June rate-setting meeting on Wednesday. Before that, New York Fed President John Williams will be speaking Tuesday on a panel with the International Monetary Fund. Fed Governor Lael Brainard is due to speak about the Dodd-Frank Act at a webinar co-hosted by the Brookings Institution and the University of Michigan. Our final update comes from the UK, where Bank of England will be under focus for shift in future monetary policies. Investors will be closely watching appearances by Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey and Chief Economist Andrew Haldane this week for any indications of a shift in monetary policy guidance after a surprise decision to taper the bank's bond-buying stimulus programme. The Bank of England bolstered its firepower by a further £100 billion, as predicted by most economists, but surprised financial markets by saying it expected the increase to see it through to the end of the year. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for regular updates. Only on Capital Street FX.